Late one night, ECAM monitoring operators detected an intruder breaking through the perimeter fence of an active California construction site. An immediate audio warning was issued, but the suspect ignored it and proceeded to steal a piece of equipment. Our operators tracked the suspect as they attempted to hide inside a porta-potty on site. Police were immediately notified. Officers arrived quickly on site and detained the suspect, recovering the stolen equipment and preventing potential damage or further theft.